Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is triangles. Yesterday we have learned about what are triangles. We have also learned about its components, elements, and types by sides and types by angles. Today we are going to start exercise number 13a. So question number 1 is written as given are 4 points P, Q, R, S in a plane. There are 4 points that named P, Q, R, S that are in plane. What is plane? We know plane is a two-dimensional surface which has length and breadth. So next one is written as no three of which are in one line. This is condition. There are 4 points. All 4 points cannot be in the same line. No three of which are in one line. Also, 3 points cannot be in the same line. How many triangles can be formed? If we follow this condition, how many triangles can be formed? And name each of them. We are going to start. About given condition, I am taking triangle P, Q, R, S. Points. For example, this is P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. P, Q, R, S. I have taken these points in this way because we cannot 3 points in the same line or 4 points in the same line, but we can take 2 points in the same line. So I have followed this condition. Now we will join the points to make triangle. P with R, P with Q, Q with S, and R with S, and P with S, R with Q. So this is given shape. We have to find how many triangles can be formed. I am making triangles. You know, this one is triangle, this one is also triangle, this is triangle, this is triangle, this is triangle, and this is triangle. But we can see that in this way there is no any point, so this cannot be triangle. This one, this one, this one, and this one, because there is no any point, so these small triangles cannot be formed, but large triangles can be formed. So how many triangles are forming? I am making first one is PRQ. PRQ, like this, PRQ. Next, this one QSR. Q, S, and R. Two triangles are formed. And this one is formed and this one is formed. Now we are taking this one, PSR. PSR. This is also forming. By looking this triangle is also forming like this. This one, Q, S, and R. Q, S, and R. We can see that there are 4 triangles that are forming. So we can write 4 triangles. Which one? We have to name this. First one is PQR, PQR, triangle PQR. Second one is QSR, QSR. Third one is PRS, and fourth one is RQS. RQS. There is no problem. You can write QSR or SRQ. There is no any problem. You can name RQS as SQR, PRSR as SRP or PRS. You can say write QSR as RSQ. There is no problem to write in any way. Now we are doing question number 2. This first part is written as, can a triangle have 3 equal sides? Do you know any triangle that has 3 equal sides? If so, name the category it. We know that there is a triangle that has all 3 sides equal. Its name is equilateral triangle. We can say answer yes. There is triangle. What is name? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And second part is, in triangle PQR, QR is equal to PR. What type of triangle can it be? I am making triangle. For example, there triangle is PQR. I can say this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Now what is written that in triangle PQR, QR is equal to PR. QR, this QR is equal to this PR. It means this triangle has 2 equal sides. QR is equal to PR. Which triangle can it be? It means this triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Any triangle having 2 equal sides is called isosceles triangle. Third one is, in triangle ABC, angle BAC is 105. Name the category of triangle it belongs to. We know any triangle which have only one angle greater than 90, mean to say any obtuse angle, that triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Now we are doing question number 3. Question number 3 is written as, classify the triangles shown below as scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. We know equilateral triangle has all equal sides, scalene triangle has all different sides, isosceles triangle has 2 sides equal. First part is 2. In this triangle, this side is 2 cm, this side is 4 cm, this side is 3 cm. All 3 sides are different. This triangle is called scalene triangle because all sides are different. Scalene triangle. In this triangle, this is 2 cm, this is 2 cm, this is 2.5. Mean to say its 2 sides are same. This is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And third one is, this is 3 cm, this is 3 cm, this is, all 3 sides are same. This is equilateral triangle. Now question number 4 is written as, how many triangles are there in the given figure? The figure is given. We have to count how many triangles are given. We will name it. How many of them have P as vertex? How many have them P as vertex? Vertex mean common point. Any triangle has 3 vertex, mean to say 3 angles or 3 corners. These are called vertex. So we have to find how many triangles there. We will make the diagrams and then decide how many can be. First of all, we are taking small triangles. There is P point, but in question number 1 there was no any point. There is no any point. If we add any name, that will be 5 points, but there are 4 points. But in this question there are 5 points, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so we are taking first of all small triangles. First small triangle is like this, D C and P, D C and P. And second triangle is CP and B. We can write it as CPB. First small, second small and third small. Third small is APB, like this. APB. And fourth small triangle is this one, DAP, D, P and A, D, A and P. This triangle. Now we are taking large triangles. Large triangles can be this one, this one. First of all, we are taking this one like this. This is ADP, A, D and P. Next one is DCB, like this, DC and B, DCB, DCB. And next triangle is DAC. We can write it as D, A and C. And last triangle is ACB, mean to say like this, A, C and B. So how many triangles are forming? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 triangles are forming. We can write there 8. We can name them. First one is triangle DCP. Second one is triangle PCB. Third one is triangle APB. And fourth triangle is DAP. Fifth triangle is PAD. And sixth is DCB. 7 is DCA. And last one is CBA. So all these triangles are totally 8 triangles. Now we are doing question number 5. It is written as name the triangles in figure given below. This figure is given. We have to find the triangles and name them. How many of them has E as interior point, and we will find how many of them has E as interior point. First of all, we know how many triangles are forming. We are counting 1 2 3 4. 4 triangles are small and 2 triangles are large. This one is large, 5, and this one is also large, 6. So 6 triangles are forming. We are naming them. First of all, we are naming large triangles. DAC, triangle DAC. Next one is CBA or ABC. It is triangle ABC. ABC or CBA, it is same. 2 triangles were large and 4 triangles are small. We are naming small triangles. First one is this RTS triangle, RTC, sorry, this is C, and this triangle is CQT. Now these two triangles are AEP, and this is SAE. So 6 triangles are forming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next was how many of them have E as interior point. We are watching there is E, no any other triangle has E. Mean to say 2 triangles have E as interior point. Mean to say 2 triangles have E as point. There is E, no one triangle has E. Now question number 6 is written as classify the following as acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle triangle. This box is showing that this angle is of 90. We know any triangle which have one angle of 90, that triangle is called right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. This triangle this angle is 65, this is 55, this is 60. All 3 angles are less than 90. This means it is acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. This triangle has one angle of 90 because this box was showing that is of 90. This box is also showing that the angle is 90. So any triangle which have only one angle of 90, that is called right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And last one is written as this angle is 110 of 110 and all other angles are not known. We can watch here, this angle is of greater than 90. Mean to say one angle is obtuse. So this triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So this was our today's topic. Exercise number 13 is finished. Tomorrow we will start exercise number 13B. If you have any question you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.